Hello, welcome back. I hope all is well with you guys. This is the second video in the series of common network type. If you uh, didn't watch the first one, I recommend you watch the first one and then come to this video. Okay, and I will also, as I mentioned in the previous videos, my English is not good, and I apologize for that. If you have any difficulty to understand or any question, you can ask me by commenting or contact me via the link that is in the description of this video as well. Okay, are you ready? Ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, we are going to talk about a small office or home office network, which is short for SOHO. First, as the previous video, first we are uh, going to learn and describe it. First of all, it encompasses or it include also encompasses encompasses the small we have showed in the illustration picture in the first video how the picture look like. If you didn't watch the first video, I recommend you do that. Okay, small home network, but also include additional additional mm, no, additional so like this, I don't know. Oh, I think it's wrong. Additional features and devices to support home office or small businesses. I don't know if it's correct to write businesses like this, but I am going to write it so that you can read and you can check my spelling also. That is a good idea, a good way to go. Okay, you are going to use this network. For example, if you have small businesses or you are working remotely from your home, you are using this network. This network, first we had a small home network, some small home network, and here comes the small office or home office network. It includes the small home network, but it has additional devices and features that it needs to do the job. For example, for person who have small businesses or is working from home. Okay, so we are going to delete that one. Okay, here we have the description, and you may ask which devices may consist. It maybe has all the devices that I'm going to mention here, but it may not all of them or some of them. Okay, this network may consist of the following devices: multiple computers, and also may consist of printers and other devices connected connected mm, through a router, and all of these devices, as we mentioned, uh, including the devices from home network, a small home network, and also it may consist multiple computers and printers and other, and these devices are connected through a router, through a router or switches. We are going to learn about what is a router or switch in the future video. Switch. And it also may include in so-called VPN, virtual private network. It often include VPN if you are working remotely from home, when you are going to access the network of your company, the company that you are working for. You need to have VPN. They are often using VPN to connect you securely to their resources. VPN connection. It is short for virtual private network. Virtual private network, VPN connection. For a remote access to company resources. Now that you have basic understanding what is a small office or home office network and which devices it consists of and features, we are ready to go to the next step. We are going to talk about its coverage area or scope. Scope or coverage area. It is limited to single home office or small office environment. It is the generalization, okay? Then the third point that we are going to learn, which characteristic it has. Characteristics. The first, it needs, compared to a small home network, it needs basic. There we had minimum network management. Here it has some network management, basic network management. But maybe you are not doing it. Maybe the company, if you are the business owner yourself, you are doing it, or maybe you are hire some consult, or if you are working for the company and you are working remotely, they may provide the network management. Okay, basic network management is needed here. Management compared to a small home network, it needed the minimal or minimum. Okay, compared to the small home network, here we have more robust security features security features compared to the small home network. Okay, and its support for remote work. Thanks to VPN, you can connect to your company or company's resources securely by using virtual private network. And okay, I think that's enough about a small office or home office network. Now we have the basic understanding what is small office or home office network, which characteristic it has, and some features compared to the small home network. Now we are ready to go to the third one, which is local area network, based on our illustration which I provided in the first video. If you have any questions, you can either ask me by commenting or contact via the link that is in the description of this video. Otherwise, have a nice day. Bye.